Hi guys, my name is Emily, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the big pictures, priorities of sustainability. And for me, I studied environmental engineering for my undergrad, so that focused more in alternative energies, thermodynamics, things like that, and more on the technical side of sustainability instead of the design side. So this is why I started MCAD, this master's program, to just develop my skills more. But for now, for my thesis, actually, I want to design a product transparency app in which bringing all the information about a product to the consumer within their phone. Basically, developing a simple life cycle app for a consumer to understand and to research and just be aware of what their product is, how it was made, where it was made, what's in their product that could harm yourself or the environment. And I wanted to bring that to the consumer and bring, not bring, I want to acknowledge the consumer that they have the purchasing power to make change. So once they become aware of what they're buying, companies will see this and say, "Oh, maybe we need to do something about that." Hopefully for the better good. But for one more thing, I want to talk a little bit about building design, and I saw a lot of that is within one of the priorities within sustainability. Um, so one of my past projects, and one of the projects I'm still interested in and still developing in, is Japanese joinery. And a little bit about Japanese joinery is just connecting two pieces of wood together using a joint, with no nails, bolts, fasteners, things like that. Um, Basically, creating puzzle pieces that fit perfectly together. And I found that by their method, it's much more sustainable than our original building methods now. Um, I want to build and create, let's say, puzzle pieces to build a house so they could interconnect in a nice, seamless way. Um, the um, building a envelope around the say the environment, and having a more close knit envelope than having a lot of spaces for thermal um, convection through the homes, through the walls. Um, I found that by using Japanese joinery, it's much easier to replace a wall or replace a hinge or any like beam on a building than what we originally do. We have to break it down. We have to break down walls just to like fix something. But for Japanese joinery, you can just pop out a piece, make the same piece as before, and then snap it back on. I found that more efficient in building design, and hopefully I can just develop that more in the future. But um, those are two main things that I'm interested in pursuing and doing. Um, but for the other priorities, I do want to get into pollution. I think that just conserving and recycling is a major part on our end, and just being more aware of what we buy and what we toss out and what we use is very important for our future and for just our daily lives, for our health and for the environment. But thanks for listening, guys. I know it was a lot of like a little off ticks. I've been practicing for a while, but hopefully this video didn't take too long. It's like 5 minutes now. So go Pats! See you guys next time. Bye!